Another very important thing that we have to put in our reports is maps and aerial view maps of what the subject site is. And there's a couple different sites that we like to use. Bing is one of them, bing.com, and 2075 Big Beaver is our address at the office here. And so this will come up, and when we have a site that we are appraising, they want a map that just captures the local streets. And so we'll do our capture of this. We'll take a screenshot of this map, but then we're going to want to go out and get a shot of some of the freeways around the area. And so we'll take a shot of something wider than this, and then we will go all the way out and get the metropolitan area that we are looking at, and we'll take a shot of that also. So we need 3 maps for that. The other type of map that we need is we use Google Earth often to look at some of the features of the property that we're looking at. And one of the things that we can do with Google Earth is we can go right down to the street and look at the area even before we go out and do a site inspection. And so if we want to know if the area is has lots of affluence, we can just do the street view, and then we can also find out if if it's a bad area. But the other thing that that we have is we can use this type of map to set right over our sketch drawing to see if the property sets in there nicely, or if we have to do something else. So we can take a screenshot of this. But the other thing that this allows us to do is to get right down and look at the area. And then we also use Google Maps. Google Maps is has some neat features to it also. And with Google Maps, you put this little guy right down on the street here, and he will, I missed it. You can put this little guy right down on the street here, and he will take you, and you can look at the neighborhood. And this is the front of the building that we work from. And Maggiano's little restaurant right next door, and what's going across the street. Then we can get rid of that and come back and come back to the top view of this. We can look at the satellite area of it and look more closely at it. So Google Maps also is a very powerful tool that helps us to assist us in what we are doing day in and day out.